Folks, happy 2022. Here, let's get the show rolling again. So let's start off with saying in particular, a belated Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Now, also let me just tell you that time with changing, we've mentioned it a couple of times now, the Atlas balance ring price is slightly going up by the end of this week. So, when you come into the likes of Finlay World here, that's what to expect. And also go to our website and check out some of the other people around the country and overseas that are doing them. But at the same time, don't go thinking that it's just about fitting out the schmick looking rigs like this that are just going up and down the likes of your freeways and your the eastern seaboard and stuff like that, because we have got cattle trucks, side tippers, logging rigs in particular, where all that crap is caught up inside the wheel, and it's balancing not only just the wheel assembly and the tyres, but it's balancing all that mud and that crap in there until it fits out. So that's where you're saving the money continuously as you are driving. So just remember, folks, Australian made and Australian owned, Atlas, and it's balanced. Okay.